What's up, guys? We're working on this 2001 Tacoma today, and we've got an oxygen sensor. This is the Downstream sensor that we're going to be changing. It had a fault code in it. Can't remember the code off the top of my head, but it was for heater circuit open, bank 1 sensor 2. And there's the part number for this sensor. This is a Denso sensor, so that's OEM, what Toyota uses. They use Denso parts. Now, there's two different lengths depending on which cab you have. You can see this is the crew cab. There's like the regular cab with the half full back door. And then you get this one that's got a full cab, full door. So the two lengths of sensors, you can either get a 24-inch harness, or you can get a 37-inch harness, I believe. Pretty sure it's 37. And this one's the 37. So the other truck, I believe, is probably going to be a 24. Don't believe the connector ends are any different. I don't know though, don't quote me on that. So I just thought I'd go with the 37. That's what it needed. But anyways, the connector is located underneath of the passenger seat. Now, you probably don't have to undo the seat like this. You might be able to get to the plug just by removing the sill trim and just like sneaking in through the carpet this way, but you're gonna have a tough time. It's gonna be very constricted with the seat in the way, and try to stick your arm like underneath of the seat track. There's not much room, right? So 4 bolts, 14 millimeter bolts to remove the seat, and you can just leave it in, just tilt it back up. So that's easy. And then the sill plate, there's 4 Phillips screws that hold that plate in. You just undo those and it pops up. Then you can lift the carpet up. This is your oxygen sensor connector. This is the body harness side, and it connects to that black piece of plastic. It'll probably be secured to that area. And just one single locking tab, like most connectors have. You just push down on that and then pull your connector out. Now, underneath the truck, the harness actually runs from the exhaust where the sensor is, and it goes up over the frame between the cab and the frame, and then up through the floor where we see there. So there's really not much to it. It's literally like 37 inches away. Not even, it's like 25 inches away. So we'll put another video clip of just showing where that location is. It's pretty much right there, not too much to it. The factory nut size, I could be wrong. There were different bolts that were in it when I took it off, but I believe they're 12 mil. And they should be studs with nuts on them. If they're really, really rusty, you might have a hard time getting that off, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Use heat, because you're going to replace the sensor anyways, so heat the crap out of the nuts and try to get them off that way, or take the studs right out and put bolts in them. That's what I did. So they're a M6 by 1.5 thread pitch, I believe. I'm pretty sure that's what they are, but I could be wrong. And that's about all I know. So I'm just gonna plug this in, and obviously I'll erase my fault code, start the truck, make sure everything's cool, and then I'll put the seat back in. So if you have any questions, throw them in the comment section below. Hopefully this video helps you. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and we'll catch you in the next one.